Looking for a bike that can commute on Monday and hit the trails on Saturday? Meet the 2026 Honda CRF250L, a lightweight dual sport that's all about versatility, reliability, and fun. Whether you're new to the dirt or just want a no-fuss, go-anywhere machine, this updated 250L has your back. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down Honda's latest take on this fan-favorite dual sport. Design. Right off the bat, the CRF250L keeps its rugged, motocross-inspired design, but with a few updates for 2026. The bodywork is slimmer, the LED lighting is sleeker, and the fit and finish feel more refined overall. It still looks like a proper trail bike, tall stance, high fenders, and all, but now with a bit more polish for the street. Honda's signature red and white color scheme? Still here, still iconic. Performance. The heart of the 2026 model is the same reliable 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, but with revised tuning for better low-end torque and smoother throttle response. It's not a race bike, but it's incredibly approachable and confidence-inspiring, especially for newer riders. The 6-speed gearbox is smooth, the suspension is soft enough for daily comfort but holds up on light trails, and the overall ride is just fun. That's the best word for it. Features and technology. You won't find tons of flashy tech here, but that's part of the charm. What you do get is a clean LCD display, fuel injection, ABS, with an off-road mode, and LED lighting. It's built to be simple, efficient, and low maintenance, which is exactly what dual sport riders love. Just hop on and go. Conclusion. The 2026 CRF250L isn't about doing one thing perfectly, it's about doing everything well, and doing it with Honda reliability. What do you think? Is this your ideal everyday adventure bike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to catch more real-world bike reviews, right here on Next Gen Reviews. See you on the next ride.